This week in drone news, we have 4 stories for you, and the first one is a big one. Oregon has named a new aviation director, and he's a good one. We'll talk about Florida public safety that pushes back against the country of origin ban, and then a new partnership for Pilot Institute that's exciting, and then lastly, 200 weeks of news. So let's get to it. And for the first story, I'm excited to announce that our friend Kenji Sugahara was appointed as the new Oregon's Department of Aviation Director. Huge congratulations to Kenji. He's the president and CEO of the Drone Service Providers Alliance. You've seen him on the show quite a few times along with Vic Moss. He's also the CEO of Air Sentinel and ACAM Aerial, which is his company where he does a lot of aerial work using his drone. And then he's also a principal at Ariascend. Kenji has been instrumental in a lot of things in aviation, especially in the UAS world. So we're really excited to see what he's going to do. He's beginning as director on May 1st of 2023. So we can't wait to see all the cool things that he's going to accomplish in his new position. For your second story this week, public safety in Florida is pushing back against the country of origin ban. A bunch of senators and first responders discussed the bill this week to push back the effective dates of the country of origin ban on drones. A number of departments stating that they had 25 plus drones at their disposal and that they could use them before the first of the year, and all of a sudden they can't use them. First responders also said that they've noticed an increase of up to $7,000 on the purchase price of Skydio drones, which, to put it in perspective, the X2E normally goes for around $15,000. Senators also pushed for blanket rules and standards that would hold any drone, regardless of a country of origin, and essentially create what we've been talking about for a long time, which is a standard that anyone could meet and prove that they can actually meet the standard. It really is that simple. So if you have some spare time, I recommend listening to the hearing and watching it. There is, some good information there. Check out the link below. And for your third story this week, we're excited to announce that we're partnering with Unmanned Tactical Group and Brendan Carr to offer in-person classes for public safety agencies. Now, all the training will be done through Unmanned Tactical Group. The classes include a variety of different topics, such as public safety UAS courses, night ops, some thermal sensor stuff, crash and crime scene mapping and reconstruction. The list is pretty long, so we'll put a link down in the description. We're excited to be working with them. They bring a wealth of information, and they'll be able to share all that knowledge with you. And then your fourth story this week is a huge thank you to everyone who gets on YouTube on their Friday mornings and watch these news updates. This week marks 200 consecutive weeks of drone news. That's right, 200 consecutive weeks of drone news. I started this segment before Pilot Institute was even a company because I wanted my, at the time, very few students to stay informed. We've obviously grown tremendously since then, so this is a big thank you from me and the rest of the Pilot Institute team. Here's to 200 more. Hopefully, we'll have this announcement in 4 more years. I'm really excited about this. A quick note before we sign off, we'll be exhibiting at Sun and Fun in Lakeland, Florida this week, or next week, I should say, Tuesday through Sunday. Come check out the booth, meet the team, ask questions. You can even put on VR goggles and do a pre-flight of an aircraft. This is a new feature that we're going to be adding to the course very soon. So that's it. That's all I have. We'll see you next week. And next week, we'll do actually the show. We'll be doing it from Florida. So see you then.